Zara, what do you have? You have a little tea set. It's the tea tray with the animal. We're playing Naked Baby, aren't we? Yeah. Airing things out a bit, having a good time, chilling, chillaxing. Cecil's a good girl, aren't you, Cecil? Cecil's on loan from Grandma and Grandpa. Oh, look at that, it's spinning. Roman, you're making the puppy go round and round. You making the puppy spin? Can you turn the puppy around?